There are several ways within Adanalysis to create ads in bulk. One is from the ad group screen. Now, the advantage of using the ad group screen for bulk creation is one, we can create filters for things like ad text does not contain certain lines. You're finding places where you forgot to add an ad line, or ad text contains. So step one is often creating your filters of where you want to create the ads. Once you do that, you will select those ad groups that are remaining for your filter and go to Create Ads. There's two types of ads you can create. You can create RSAs in bulk. If you create RSAs in bulk, we'll look through the ads in the current ad group, and based upon your selection criteria, highest conversion rate, the ads with the lowest CPA, so forth, we will inherit lines from the ETAs to create RSAs. And you can also add your own custom lines to create. And this will bulk create RSAs for you. The second option is you can go to Create Ads, and then not the RSAs, a different ad format, whether it's ETAs, DSAs, call only, so forth. Now, the advantage of creating these at the ad group level is you have this option to inherit missing data from other ads in the ad group. So let's say you're setting up a multi-ad group test, and all you want to test is this new call to action. But you don't want to mess with your headline ones, related ad group, or your final URLs. So you can inherit the data. Then what the system will do is it'll look through the ads in the ad group, find the highest impression one, or the highest conversion rate or lowest CPA, just change that line and push it out. So you can preview them. So in some cases, right, we may have only DSAs or something, which of course can't be created within ETA format because there's nothing to inherit. So you can preview it. If you work with legal or brand for review, you can download the data first, send to someone for approval, and then go ahead and create them. Now, you can create a second one from here or a third. You have additional options you can do, such as applying labels or rules or pausing previous ads, etc. So with the multi-ad group testing from the ad groups, it's very easy to inherit data to create. Now, this also pairs well with the pause ads ability. If you're making a lot of new ads, you might want to pause down to only 2 ads first and pause the highest CPA ads in those ad groups. And that way there's only a couple ads running, and then use the mass create to create all the new ads for any of your ad tests. You can also mass create from the ad screen. So with the ad screen, you'll again filter down based upon exactly what ads you want to change. Then you can select the ads, and you have two options. You can either bulk edit them, change everything about the ads at once. Now, again, this is where you can change just one headline. We'll leave everything else the same, and then you'd be editing only this line and not the rest of the ad lines. The second option is you can create and edit the ads. So in this case, what will happen is we're going to take an ad, right? You're going to make an edit to it, and we'll make a copy, push out the change, and leave the original as it is. Now, you could pause the original as well. And that way, you're just making a change to an ad, but keeping the original in place. The third way to bulk create and edit ads is from the Campaign Builder tool. With the Campaign Builder tool, you'll upload a file, and then you'll choose a wizard, which will walk you through where you're creating the ads. And then lastly, once you get to the ad creation, we can easily say, let's call our headline 1 the ad group from the file. Then headline 2 is going to be starting at and the price from the file. And our headline 3 might just be our tagline, whatnot. So we can use data from an uploaded file to mass create ad groups, ads, and keywords within the account. So if you're looking at a quick creation where you want to inherit data from existing ads, then the ad group creator, where you can create ads, is one of the best ones to use. If you want very specific ads that you are copying and editing, then go to the ad screen, filter down to those, and then use the edit or copy and edit function. If you're creating a whole new campaign from scratch and you've got a lot of ad groups and keywords and ads to make, then use the campaign builder tool. So by using these tools, it is very easy to create or edit ads in bulk across Adalys's system.